Important tips to prepare current affairs and general knowledge. General knowledge is a vital aspect of civilized human life. It is crucial to stay updated with the latest happenings and events in India and all over the world. Improving general knowledge can be achieved through various methods, such as reading newspapers, magazines, watching news channels, participating in quizzes, and more. It not only helps in enhancing knowledge but also opens doors to numerous career opportunities. Here are some important tips to prepare for current affairs and general knowledge. Read newspapers daily. Newspapers are an excellent source of current affairs and general knowledge. Make it a habit to read newspapers daily to stay updated with the latest happenings in the world. Watch current affairs special programs on news. Many news channels have special programs dedicated to current affairs. Watch these programs to gain insights and knowledge about the latest events and issues. Take notes for exam. Taking notes is an effective way to retain information. Take notes of important events, dates, and facts related to current affairs and general knowledge for quick revision before exams. Read magazines/internet/books thoroughly. Magazines, internet, and books are great sources of information. Read them thoroughly to gain knowledge and understanding of various topics. Participate in online quizzes. Online quizzes are a fun way to test your knowledge and learn new things. Participate in online quizzes related to current affairs and general knowledge to improve your knowledge and retention. Make your strength your plus point. Identify your strengths and make them your plus point. Focus on the topics that interest you and where you are strong. Stay updated with the latest happenings in the world. Stay updated with the latest happenings in the world by following news channels, newspapers, and reliable sources of information. Discuss with peers and experts about the latest events and issues. Discussing current affairs and general knowledge with peers and experts can help you gain new insights and perspectives. Join social groups and forums related to current affairs and general knowledge. Join social groups and forums related to current affairs and general knowledge to interact with like-minded people and gain knowledge. Stay positive and motivated towards learning and improving your general knowledge. Stay positive and motivated towards learning and improving your general knowledge. Believe in yourself and keep working towards your goals.